ខ្ញុំបាទកៅតាណាជាអ្នកបណ្ឌិតខាងផ្នែកបរិស្ថានបាទបន្តការសិក្សារៀនហុងស៊ុយនិងព្យាករដំណើរជីវិតបាទខ្ញុំបានបញ្ចប់ការសិក្សានៅប្រទេសជប៉ុនកាលពីឆ្នាំ2010 Yeah, good morning. Today I have a good opportunity to introduce you about the monkey in the year 2022 as I will go through to our pillar of your destiny and the day master. If you have a monkey in your day master, and then the month pillar of your destiny and the year pillar of your destiny of your base in your BAZI chart. You are going to have the detailed information about this one. In the year 2022 for monkey, if you look generally, you can see what is a big class, 100% of class monkey for those who was born in the year of monkey, and you get the 100% class in the water tiger in the year 2022. There can be a big change, and there will be a big change in all aspects, like work, like relationships, and even your thinking. Your thing is change everything. So this year will be a good year for those who was born in monkey, if you are willing to accept the change and adapt with it. I mean, you are going to be flexible with it. However, for those who are stubborn, hate change. 2022 will be a thought years. Change will be take action this year for monkey, and it will be a challenge for first, but having a courage to face change is the key to make sure in the 2022 will going in your favor. Now you are going to go to the detail. If you look in your destiny chart, BAZI chart, if you find that your monkey is in your year pillar, indicate that in your workplace it's changing, like renovation going on, or your industry is going through some transformation. And if you can find the monkey in your month pillar of your destiny chart, indicate that maybe this year you change your career or your job, or you moving to other section of the same company or the same organization. And if you have a monkey in your day, if your day master, yourself, you might have a change of heart. Change of heart, that means you change some idea, you change some mind, change some. For example, you got plan to get married for a long time this year, could be this year. Or something you are feeling to change your divorce. You want to divorce, or you transition from being single to be a relationship. If you have a monkey in your hour pillar, your style of investing might change. This is all of my information to you, and get back to you from Telegram with 085 93 33 and 65. Bye bye.